Dear guests, it's a special honor for me to welcome you here on the Energy Regulatory, on behalf of the Energy Regulatory Committee, on today's workshop on the subject of the benefits from building alliances with energy stakeholders within the twinning project for institutional strengthening of the Energy Regulatory Commission of the Republic of Macedonia. The Energy Regulatory Commission is an independent body of the Republic of Macedonia, which, according to the energy law, conducts activities regarding regulating issues in energy activities which are also defined in the energy law. In regulating the participants on the energy market, the ERC has complementary tasks regarding protection of competition, consumer protection, environmental protection, and workers' protection. Through carrying out these complementary activities, the ERC has a need to actively cooperate with the competent state authorities, organizations, and institutions. The ERC relies on information, data, and recommendations which certain state bodies, institutions, and organizations have regarding the participants on the energy market, regarding protection on competition, consumers, environment, workers, and technical equipment. In its cooperation with the state authorities and the local self-government units, as well as other institutions and organizations, the ERC secures coverage of all segments regarded to the energy activities and which influence the public interest, which is a safe, secure, and high-quality energy supply for consumers in the Republic of Macedonia. The ERC, in the implementation of its task, cooperates with the Assembly and the Government of the Republic of Macedonia, the Ministry of Economy, the Energy Agency of the Republic of Macedonia, the Market Inspectorate, the Technical Inspectorate, the Ministry of Environment and Physical Planning, Commission for Protection of Competition, the Chamber of Commerce, the Association of the Chambers of Commerce, the Council for Consumer Protection, the Bureau for Metrology, the Bureau for Public Procurement. That is to say, all entities that have information which can assist the Commission in the carrying out of its duties and activities. We also need to state that the representatives of these entities are being invited to participate on our preparatory sessions which we organize in our premises. The license holders for energy activities are obliged, according to law, to submit to the regulatory energy monthly, quarterly, and annual reports on the carrying out of activities and according to the conditions in the specific license. Cooperation and communication with the government of the Republic of Macedonia is regarding opinions on draft laws and regulations which regulate the energy sector in Macedonia. For example, the ERC gives opinions on the energy balance of the Republic of Macedonia before this balance is adopted by the government. The ERC also participates on sessions of government where important issues of energy are being discussed. The ERC nominates its representatives to various working groups in order for drafting regulations and projects in the sector of energy. The ERC also, according to the energy law, submits to Parliament, to government, and to the Ministry of Economy its annual report. The Ministry of Economy, Energy Agency, Chamber of Commerce, the Association of the Chambers of Commerce, the Council for Protection of Competition, and the Commission for Protection of Competition, as well as other institutions, are invited to participate on the public debates and preparatory sessions of the Energy Regulatory Commission, and vice versa. The representatives of the ERC participate in different working groups on preparation of projects, decisions, and regulations regarding the energy sector. We need to also stress out that the ERC has a memorandum of cooperation with the Commission on Protection of Competition, in order to exchange information which are needed to spur up competition in the energy sector in the Republic of Macedonia. The units of self-government as well as public enterprises are invited to the preparatory sessions, especially regarding regulations and decisions on pricing, which are in the competence of those local self-government units. The ERC resolves disputes between the energy companies and the energy users. In those cases when it is prescribed by law, or when the parties to the conflict agree to have the conflict resolved by the ERC. The ERC also holds meetings with consumers, gives them advice, explanations, and helps consumers in solving their issues, their problems regarding connection to the electricity distribution system. Since its establishment, the ERC has international cooperation with regulatory bodies in the region and in member states of the European Union. The ERC gives a significant contribution in the organization and functioning of the regional and international market for electricity and natural gas as full member of the Energy Regulatory Board of the European Community, which is an institution of the European Community in line with the agreement, with the establishing agreements. We are also members of the ERA, which is the competent authority of regulatory authorities with the aim of cooperation and exchange of experience between its members. We also have bilateral cooperation with regulatory authorities in Albania, Bulgaria, Croatia, and Serbia. And we also have a partnership signed with for 2 years we had a partnership with the regulatory body of Vermont, USA. We have also meetings with the European Commission, the delegation of the European Union, the World Bank, USAID, European Bank of Reconstruction and Development, as well as with other with investors who want to invest or have invested in the Republic of Macedonia. Since 2009, the ERC is a beneficiary of an IPA technical assistance project, as well as this twinning project for institutional strengthening of the ERC, the funds for which are secured by the delegation of the European Union to the Republic of Macedonia, with the aim of improving the regulatory framework on the energy market. This project is the first twinning project in the area of energy in this region. And for the implementation of this twinning project for institutional strengthening of the ERC, the Austrian Agency for European Integration and E-Control were selected. The project began officially on the 1st of January 2010 and has a duration of 16 months. As you already know about this project, since many of you were here on the kickoff workshop on the 25th of March this year. This twinning project will secure strengthening of the capacities of the Energy Regulatory Commission of the Republic of Macedonia and fulfilling obligations stemming from the agreement for the establishment of the energy community, oversight over the energy entities on the energy market, more transparency, as well as cooperation with institutions, companies, consumers, and other institutions. Thank you very much.